Hi Year 6, welcome back. It's Thursday today, and today we're going to be editing and improving our writing, assessing how effective our writing has been. So, thinking back to using our toolbox, and just as we would do in class, reading through our work and thinking, have we achieved that impact on our reader? So let's have a little look at my screen. This is what you'll be looking at home. So, using the toolbox from yesterday's lesson, you're going to assess your writing. How effective has it been? Have you used adjectives to describe the environment? Have you used those powerful verbs that we discussed yesterday? So rather than just ran, how did you run? How can you use a verb to show that? Darted, scuttled, scurried. Have you used those powerful verbs to show emotion and movement? Do your verses show that contrast in the atmosphere? Can we tell the difference in what's happening in those different verses? How you felt the emotion in that first verse compared to the second verse when you are you're safe in the underground shelter. When you've assessed your writing against the toolbox, so you'll have to go back to yesterday's slide with our writer's toolbox, thinking about that impact. Have you achieved your impact? Have you used those techniques? And you've answered those questions which are related to the toolbox, to the impact and techniques. Check your spellings against the word banks that we've given you as well. So really reviewing and seeing, actually, are there some spellings that I can see that are available to me that I can correct and improve and edit. Finally, what you're going to do today, or what you're going to do tomorrow, sorry, on Flexible Friday, is when you're happy with your edited poem. As I said at the beginning, our purpose is to publish these to have in our scrapbook, our World War II scrapbooks. So you can publish it, and as well, we'd love to see some performances of these poems. So poems are written to be performed. And we've done some performance poetry workshops with Mr. Timmins before. And we'd love to see some videos of your poems. So share those with the Year 6 team, send an email. So that's something you can do tomorrow on Flexible Friday. Practice your poems, practice performing them, and then video them and send them in to us, and also publish them. So thinking about, how are you going to lay that out? Are you going to use some illustrations, and really make sure they're of something you're really proud of, so they can go into your sketchbooks. So I hope you've enjoyed the writing this week. I'm sure we're going to really enjoy reading your finished poems and seeing your poetry, your performances of your poetry on Friday. And well done for another fantastic week of learning. See you soon. Bye.